All right, so what problem number 20 gives you is that the cosine of some unknown angle is given as negative 0.82, and it tells you here specifically that this angle is going to fall between 180 and 270 degrees. So which quadrant is it going to be in? Okay, so we know that we want this to fall in this quadrant right here, between 180 and 270. And so we're looking at the angle in quadrant 3 that has this particular cosine. Okay, now, when we use our calculator, so first of all, the restrictions are given in angles, or in degrees for the angles. So that means we need to change our mode, make sure that it is in degree mode. And that's going to tell you how you want to enter your answer. Hey, once we turn our calculator into degree mode, we can go ahead and calculate what angle has this particular cosine. And we do that by finding the angle that has that cosine. It can be found by using the inverse cosine of whatever that given ratio was. So if we take the inverse cosine of negative 0.82 and hit enter, there is our angle, 145.1 degrees approximately. Okay, so we're looking at this angle right here. This is the angle that our calculator tells us. Well, we want to find the angle that has the exact same cosine as this angle. Well, the same cosine can be identified where this angle intersects the unit circle. So if we draw a vertical line straight down here, you can see this right here is going to be the angle that we measure. Okay, so once we determine what that angle is, what we can now do is look to see, in order for us to find this, we're going to take this reference angle right here and add it to 180, and that's going to give us the angle that we're looking for with these restrictions. And so in order for us to find this reference angle, we need to understand it's the exact same as this reference angle up here. And so if we know that this angle in green was 145, we can find the reference angle by taking 180 and subtracting 145 from that. So if we take 180 minus the given angle, 145, we get this angle right here. Inside here, this reference angle is going to be 34.9. Therefore, this angle of the exact, if the angle that has the exact same cosine is going to be 34.9 also. So instead of taking 180 minus this angle to find the green angle, when we find the purple angle, we need to take 180 and add that reference angle. So to get our final answer, we're going to take 180, we're going to add this reference angle to it, and that gives us our overall angle, this purple angle of 214.9, and that's what we would be looking for in that problem.